the previous lectures, we have seen the basic concepts of differentiation and the derivatives of some standard functions. Now, today we are going to start with exercise 3.1. So, let us start. See, the question number 1 is find dy by dx if, so over here they have given y is equal to under root x plus 1 upon x. So, what we will do is, we will assume this x plus 1 upon x as u. Correct? So, it is a function of x. Let u is equal to x plus 1 upon x. So, therefore, we have y is equal to square root of u. Understood? So, now differentiating with respect to u. We will differentiate y with respect to u. And then we have to differentiate u with respect to x. So, differentiating y with respect to, I'll write in short, with respect to u. What will you get? Dy by du is equal to. Now, what is the derivative of under root u? See, we have used this formula. You know this formula. dx of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. So, over here, x is replaced by u. So, dy by du will be equal to 2 into root u. So, that is nothing but 1 upon 2. We substitute the value of u. U is x plus 1 upon x. So, this is your dy by du. Now, we will take u. U is x plus 1 upon x. So, differentiating u with respect to x. Differentiating u with respect to x. What will you get? Du by dx is equal to, now this is your addition formula. Y is equal to u plus v will be equal to dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. That means you will get here d dx of x plus d dx of 1 upon x. Correct? You have to differentiate each term. So, you get du by dx. Derivative of x is, see where it is, fourth formula, d dx of x is 1. So, here you get 1 plus derivative of 1 upon x minus 1 upon x square. So, minus 1 upon x square. Okay? This is your du by dx. So, now your what will be dy by dx? We have dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. This is your chain rule. So, now substitute. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to, first dy by du. What we have got? 1 upon 2 under root x plus 1 upon x into this one. 1 minus 1 upon x square. Correct? This minus plus minus will be minus. So, 1 minus 1 upon x square. This you can write as from 1 and 2. So, this completes your sum. This is the answer. The second sum, y is equal to cube root of a square plus x square. So, as usual, we will say let u is equal to a square plus x square. Correct? So, therefore, your y will be equal to cube root of u. Correct? Cube root of u is written as u raised to 1 by 3. Getting? So, therefore, differentiating with respect to x. differentiating with respect to u. dy by du. Now u raised to 1 by 3. See, what is your formula? d dx of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. So over here n is 1 by 3. So you will get 1 by 3 into u raised to 1 by 3 minus 1. So that is equal to 1 upon 3 u raised to, see, 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. So minus 2 by 3. So resubstitute the value. 1 upon 3, your u is a square plus x square raised to minus 2 by 3. So this can be written as 1 upon 3 into 1 upon a square plus x square raised to 2 by 3. Getting? This is your first. Then next one, we have to differentiate u with respect to x. U is a square plus x square. So differentiating with respect to x. Du by dx is equal to d dx of a square plus d dx of x square. So now a square is a constant. So derivative of constant. See, derivative of k is 0. So derivative of a square will be 0 plus derivative of x square. The first rule. X raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. Here n is equal to 2. So 2 into x. So du by dx you get equal to 2x. Okay. So we got dy by du and we have got du by dx. So therefore by chain rule, dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. So substitute. How much we have got dy by dx? Du 1 upon 3 into a square plus x square raised to 2 by 3 into 2x. So this is your answer. Dy by dx. Understood? So the third sum, y is equal to and in the bracket 5x cube minus 4x square minus 8x raised to 9. So what we will do is this inside this terms will assume to be equal to u. So you get, let u is equal to 5x cube minus 4x square minus 8x, and therefore your y is equal to u raised to 9. Very simple function, isn't it? So now differentiate. Differentiating with respect to u. With respect to u. So therefore dy by du is equal to u raised to 9. That means this first formula. 9 into u raised to 9 minus 1. That is 8. So substitute. 9 into, copy the u, 5x cube minus 4x square minus 8x raised to 8. This is your dy by du. Now we have to differentiate u. U is 5x cube minus 4x square minus 8x. So differentiating with respect to x. Du by dx. Now what will you can take this constant outside d dx. So 5 into d dx of x cube minus 4 into d dx of x square minus 8 into d dx of x. Get it? Now you can apply this first formula. So you will get du by dx is equal to 5 into, what will be the derivative of x cube? 3x square. Correct? N into x raised to n minus 1. Here n is 3. So 3 into x raised to 3 minus 1, that is 2. So 3x square minus 4 into derivative of x square will be 2x minus 8 into derivative of x will be 1. See, derivative of x is 1. So what you get is du by dx is equal to 5 3s are 15x square minus 8x minus 8. This is your du by dx. So therefore by chain rule, dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. So substitute. Therefore dy by dx is equal to, what is dy by dx? 9 into 5x cube minus 4x square minus 8x raised to 8 into this term, correct? Du by dx 15x square minus 8x minus 8. So this is your answer. That completes question number 1. So now let's see the second question. Find dy by dx if, first sub question, y is equal to log x. So over here, what will be u? This inside log x will be u. So we'll say let u is equal to log x. So here y becomes log of u, log u. Now differentiate. Differentiating with respect to x, u, differentiating with respect to u. Therefore, dy by du is equal to, what is the derivative of log x? 1 upon x. So over here we have log u. So it will be 1 upon u. That is nothing but, your u is log x. So 1 upon log x. Then now differentiate u. So u is equal to log x, differentiating with respect to x, with respect to x, du by dx is equal to 1 upon x. Very simple sum. Therefore, by chain rule, dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. So you get dy by dx is equal to, what is dy by du? 1 upon log x into du by dx we have got 1 upon x. This is from 1 and 2. So you get dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x into log x. This is your final answer. Don't make it log x into x is log x square. That is wrong. This x is different and log x is different. So you will get x into log x. That is the answer of this first sub question. Start with the next sum. If find dy by dx is equal to y is equal to log of this term. Now very simple, these sub questions of this question are all based on log function only. So as usual, let this inside terms we'll say as u. So let u is equal to 10 into x raised to 5 plus 5x cube minus 3x square plus 2. So what will be your y? Log u. Correct? This log function, and then inside bracket we have assumed to be equal to u. So we get y is equal to log u. So differentiating with respect to u. Differentiating with respect to u. So you get dy by du is equal to derivative of log u, that is 1 upon u. So that is nothing but 1 upon this whole thing. 10x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 3x square plus 2. This is your first one. Now we have to differentiate u. U is equal to 10 into x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 3x square plus 2. Correct? So differentiate. Differentiating with respect to x. So you will get du by dx. Now as usual, take the constant out and only differentiate the x term. So d dx of x raised to 4 plus 5 into d dx of x cube minus 3 into d dx of x square, correct, plus d dx of 2. That is a constant. So how much you get? Therefore du by dx is equal to 10 into, what will be derivative of x4? The first formula, n into x raised to n minus 1, that is 4 into x raised to 4 minus 1, that is 3, plus 5 into derivative of x cube, that is 3x square, minus 3 into derivative of x square, that is 2x, plus derivative of 2, that is a constant, so 0. Correct? So we get du by dx is equal to 10 into 4, 40x cube plus 15x square minus 6x. So now substitute in the chain rule. Therefore by chain rule, dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. So substitute this 1 and 2. So therefore dy by dx is equal to, this is your numerator, 40x cube plus 15x square minus 6x upon this term, 10x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 3x square plus 2. So this is your answer. Correct? So this completes your second sub question. Let's see the third sum. Y is equal to log of ax square plus bx plus c. So as usual, first let u is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Now here a, b, c are constants. So therefore your y is log u. Very simple sum. Again differentiating with respect to u. Therefore dy by du is equal to derivative of log u, that is 1 upon u. So that is 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c. This is your first step. Then u is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So differentiating with respect to x. Correct? With respect to x. So du by dx is equal to a into d dx of x square plus b into d dx of x plus, you can either write d dx of c or you can write c into d dx of 1. The answer will be same. C into d dx of 1. Same, it will be 0 only. So this is equal to a into derivative of x square will be 2x plus b into derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of 1 will be 0. So you get du by dx is equal to 2ax plus b. This is your second step. Now apply the chain rule. Therefore, by chain rule, dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. So dy by dx is equal to, how much is dy by du? 1 upon this term and into this. So you will get 2ax plus b upon ax square plus bx plus c. This is your final answer. Very simple sums. Right? So that completes your question number 2. Now let's move to question number 3. Let us start with the first sub question of question number 3. Question number 3 is find dy by dx if y is equal to e raised to 5x square minus 2x plus 4. Now to bring this in the standard form, we have a form d dx of e raised to x. That is e raised to x. So what we will do is, we'll assume this exponent 5x square minus 2x plus 4 is equal to u. So u is equal to 5x square minus 2x plus 4. Therefore, your y becomes e raised to u, which is the standard form. So now let us differentiate. Very simple sum. Differentiating with respect to u. So dy by du is equal to, now we know that derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. So derivative of e raised to u will be same, e raised to u. So that is equal to e raised to, resubstitute the value of u. E raised to 5x square minus 2x plus 4. This completes your first step. Now differentiate u. Your u is 5x square minus 2x plus 4. So differentiating with respect to x. With respect to x, du by dx is equal to 5 into d dx of x square, correct? You can take the constant outside. Minus 2 into d dx of x plus d dx of 4. Right? So simplify. Now this is 5 into derivative of x square. The first formula, x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. So derivative of x square will be 2x minus 2 into derivative of x will be 1 plus derivative of 4, 0. So you get 10x minus 2. This is your du by dx. Now apply the chain rule. Therefore, by chain rule, dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Here dy by dx we have got e raised to this term into 10x minus 2. So you get e raised to 5x square minus 2x plus 4 into 10x minus 2. This is your answer. dy by dx. Okay. Let's start with the second sum. Now see the second sum. Y is equal to a raised to 1 plus log x. Now our standard form is a raised to x. Correct? So we'll assume let u is equal to 1 plus log x. So your y becomes a raised to u. Now differentiate. Differentiating with respect to u. So dy by du is equal to, see, derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log a. So over here you will get a raised to u into log a. Resubstitute the value of u. So that is a raised to 1 plus log x into log a. This is your first step. Then u is equal to 1 plus log x. So differentiate. Differentiating with respect to x. Du by dx is equal to d dx of 1 plus d dx of log x. Now derivative of 1 is 0. See, derivative d dx of k is 0, where k is constant. So, and derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So we get it is equal to 1 upon x. Now substitute in the chain rule. By chain rule, very simple sums. dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. So dy by du we have got a raised to 1 plus log x into log a into 1 upon x. This is your final answer. Right? Now the last sum. Now see the third sum. Y is equal to 5 raised to x plus log x. That means in this, it is in this form, a raised to x. Here a is your 5. So as usual, first we try to get it in the standard form. So we'll assume let u is equal to x plus log x. Right? So therefore your y is 5 raised to u. Now differentiate. Differentiating with respect to u. dy by du, we have to apply this a raised to x formula. So a raised to x into log a. Over here a is 5. So a raised to x, that is 5 raised to u into log 5. That is 5 raised to x plus log x into log 5. This is your first step. Then differentiate u. What is u? U is x plus log x. So differentiating with respect to x. Correct? So you get du by dx as d dx of x plus d dx of log x. So derivative of x is 1 and derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So you get du by dx as 1 plus 1 upon x. Now substitute in the chain rule. Therefore, by chain rule, dy by dx is dy by du into du by dx. So what is dy by du? This first one, 5 raised to x plus log x into log 5. So 5 raised to x plus log x into log 5 into 1 plus 1 upon x. This is your final answer. Correct? So this completes exercise 3.1. So let's meet in the next video lecture with exercise 3.2. Till then, be safe, be at home. Goodbye.